Oh, bold. Just walked straight across, tried to just work it onto the length side for a single, and they deserved that. And an excellent way to finish off the power play.
And the left-arm spinner bringing the ball into the left-hander, Shamil Hussain, not really knowing where his leg stump was. Missed that one. Generally a good batter, but not able to really know where he was standing, using his feet across the crease. He has to walk back for 15.
Goes normal sweep. This is going straight to the fielder, out. Tried to get it a little bit finer. And another wicket. Pressure was building. And it is the end of Benkenstein.
And the cat and mouse between Afnan and Benkenstein continues. Wanted to go for another boundary this time. Again, the length was adjusted. He had to play it upish, couldn't keep it low. The fielder was placed right for that shot. A very comfortable catch, and Afnan gets his revenge. Benkenstein has to walk back for 33.
Yeah. Stumped. Little bit of turn away from the right-hander. It's a different pitch, and there's just a slight bit of assistance for the spinners. Yeah, just telegraphed his intentions a little too early, and he's done well because he's dug that in. For the first time, you talk about just a bit of assistance off the surface, straightening. That's why it's gone past the outside edge. Good work from the wicket-keeper. He was nowhere near the frame. Didn't even bother trying to get back. Did Joseph Eklund. So the third wicket falls. Daniel Ibrahim goes for 9. Gwadar 72 for 3.